Alright, Section 9, kerosene burner water heaters. Section 9, kerosene burning water heaters. TM55 1263, Department of Army Technical Manual, Locomotive Diesel Electric 56.5-inch gauge, 65 ton 0440, 400 horsepower, General Electric, Cummins engine, model HBIS 600, Department of Army, March 1955. All right. Section 11, kerosene burning water heaters. How to set the wick before operating water heaters. See that the wick is properly following the manner. Figure 34. Remove the drum A from so that the wick can be seen clearly. Turn the hand wheel and using indicating the pointer. H is a hole in the dial. With the thumb of the right hand, press the pointer through the hole as shown in figure 35. Hold it there with the left hand. Turn the hand wheel, raising the lower wick until the wick is at the top of the 1/16 of an inch above the top of the wick tubes. Then release the pointer. Then the wick is now properly adjusted. Occasionally necessary to reset the wick as it burns down in order to restore the high flame and get the fullest possible use out of each wick. Alright, 13023, use only good grade kerosene. Never use gasoline mixture containing the gasoline. Figure 30 shows the drum A, handle B, core rod, cord pin, inner perforated combustion tube, other penetrated perforated custom tube F, hand wheel, wick tube, flange, removable burner top, wick resetting hole, indicator pointer, lower flats pointer, indicating dial, wick stop, burning clamp set, screw wick, grass wick tube, feed pipe, drain raising knob. 124, failure to fill the oil reservoir. See that all the parts of the burner are in place with the shown in figure 34 with the drum A with the raised with the position. The drum is raised means of a small handle M in the slap pipe. Below the feed pipe, turn the hand wheel with the right until the indicator points to reset the grunts. The wick stop light. The wick in several places. The lower drum gently in place. The lowering handle M in the slat. Turn the drum into the right or left means with the handle B to make sure that it rests evenly with the wicked flange. L free. There are 5 minutes required of the flame to reach the fullest height. The high flame should be clear of the bullet color, but when the burner has been operating low and is turned into the high, it will burn yellow for a short time. Our figure 85 shows the wick setting. 125 shows how to extinguish it. Turn the hand wheel to the left as far as it will go. When the flame has gone out, the raise of the drum and means of the lifting handle M, leaving the raised position as the shown in figure 34, leaving the drum is raised in position prevents oil from creeping up on it. The combustion tube, which would cause odor with the burning, is again lighted. 126, care of wicks and burners. At least once every day, the brass wick tube should be thoroughly cleaned. 127, clean wick. First remove the burner drum, the raised with the wick, even with the top of the tube. Scrap all the carbon crust from the top of the wick with the edge of the cleaning tool furnished with a stove. Do not try to clean the wick with thoroughly. It is unnecessary to wait. A certain amount of the char as the edge of the wick gives the perfect flame. Now turn the wick down from the wick tubing as far as it will go. Remove the screw by the top of the taking hold of the wire handle, turning the quarter to the quarter turn to the left. Scrape inside outside the screw the top thoroughly. Begin careful to remove all the dirt carbon of the flange on which the drum combustion tube rests. Brush all the low particles of the carbon scale from the wick of tubes and flanges. The wipe of the dry cloth replace the burner and top drum. See that the holes in the combustion tube are clean and open. When the burner are long, continuous use is necessary after 10 to 12 hours steady burning to turn the wick and down order to loosen and break up. Carbon top of the wick tubes. Otherwise, this will seal the wick tightly at the top of the tube. Some of the wicks are broken, resulting from unsatisfactory flame. Figure 36 shows the dismantling burner from the cleaner. 128, correcting sicking wicks. When wick tubes are become covered with gummy oil, causing the wick work to hard and keeping the drum seating with it properly, they should be cleaned with the following manner. Remove oil, reserve drain feed line. Loosen the burner clamp set, screw, move the wick tube from the feed pipe and screw set, stop, take the wick out with the wick tube so they're using the boiling water deep enough to cover it and add about 1/2 pound of washing soda, any good cleaning compound. Do not use lye and will damage to the brass tube, and do not boil aluminum vessels in soda to its valves. If the aluminum boil for 1 hour, this is gummy the solution substance will either be boiled off of the tube so that they are thoroughly loosened as it can be easily scraped away. Clean out the feed pipe, twisting wire as it is loosening all the sediment that dries will put clean oil with the wick tubes from the boiling water, turning it out upside down on the drain. Then replace with the feed pipe, taking the care that the hook is under the feed pipe. The set screw is tightened firmly without the forcing and placing the feed pipe cap. Wick and reservoir off the resulting resting wicks. The burner will ready for the operation. If the burners are occasionally cleaned this way, they will operate in a satisfactory manner indefinitely. 129 Re-wick burner. The wick supplied with the burner of the proper type is essentially the same type of the wick. Equal will be used for the making of the replacement. Substitute the wicks that can cause trouble. The wicks can come attached to the metal carriages ready for the inserting. They are burned at a factory to proper burning and edge. Figure 33-7 Re-wick the burner. Figure 38 burner cleaning tool. Ready for use, they should not be mistaken for the use of the wick. Remove the drum plate and the rest to indicate the purpose. Pointer the hole in the dial of the figure 35 with the holding there with the hand wheel with the right until the wick carrier is lifted and as high as it can go. Lifted only the wick and insert the new with the press the wick downward until the carrier engages with the teeth of the lower end of the hand wheel spindle to take the wick down until the top of the edge of 1/16 of an inch above the wick tube to release the indicator pointer. 130 clean water heater units. Operating the heater to high flame will cause the heater unit to cover the smoke off. This will result for the greater reduction efficiency. Heating the unit says the burner part should be cleaned thoroughly and it's also suited removed. Heater casing can be easily raised for the cleaning and the inspection. When the cleaning of the heating units, make sure to cover the burner to protect the Volun suit. 131 carrier of the heater when not in use. When the heater is not to be used for several months, it should be carefully drained to prevent freezing of the rusting. After shutting off the water, open the drain faucet at the bottom of the tank thoroughly with the drain system to make sure there are no water remains with the heating of the utility. Screw the pipe connection to the lower part of the pipe or the heater and screw the cap at the end of the field line with the heater of the not produced with the hot water to satisfactory. Examines all the pipes so that it is arranged shown in the install direction. Do not place combustible material on the parts of the heater or permit other such material to accumulate around the heater. Section 12. Trucks and running gear.